Dirt's good. Yeah, dirt's good. Right here. Right. Whoa! Woohoo! Go, Scott. Phew. Yeah, buddy. Get it. Yep. Keep the flow. Nice.
Wow.
Oh, buddy. Off-road, off-road.
I didn't think I was getting any traction.
Oh, it's a ton of traction. Oh shit! Oh,
You don't know the trail.
So good.
Yeah. It looks wetter than it is.
Yeah. A little ruddy right here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. this gap with Justin here. He hasn't hit this gap in a while, and it's been a little while since I've hit this, probably a few weeks. Should be good, but not feeling 100%, but we're just gonna try, give it a little try and see what goes on.
Yeah.
Ready, buddy?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Woo!
Holy fucking shitballs, mama!
How'd it feel?
Fucking big, but good.
Yeah, feel good, right? Whoa, shit. See the build, you see that lip? The landing's on top now. The one to the right, you see it on the right? But look at the landings on top. That's the landing pad. It's big, dude. The gap is fucking huge now.
Wow.
So it used to be a smaller one, but now that's the biggest one.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
You see it?
You really need to go.
No, you can't drop down from here. You have to go from that side. That's where you get the speed. Yeah, you have to go from that side, hit it straight, full on, and you land on top of there. Or you can hip it and go this way, because you have to go down that way, and that's another jump right there.
Yeah, those
So
guys, you can, like, if you hit the ladder, you kind of use this
Yeah, yeah.
to take you up that.
But dude, you lose a lot of speed, because this lip right here, you lose a lot of speed coming up here now.
Steep, huh?
Yeah,
Interesting.
because
Yeah,
you
we
hit
saw
that.
guys do it last week, and
Yeah.
They're
they were
crushing.
pretty.
Yeah, they'll hit it, but you get some good air all the way to the top
Yeah.
right there. You land up there.
Oh, you land up there.
Yeah, went up there. Yeah, that's a landing pad over there.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
You gotta get moving. Kevin's right though. You'll have more speed if you go.
yeah. This is the way to go, not this one, because you don't have enough
Not
speed.
hit the drop.
Yeah.
Yeah, not hit drop, because there's another jump on right there. There's another gap jump right there.
Okay, yeah.
So right where you skip the skinny, so you start from the top, you hit that gap jump. It's actually small, but it's far. So you hit that, you make that, you come down here full speed, and boom, you hit this right here.
Damn.
Yeah, you need a lot of speed into this. It better have more speed than coming short.
Oh, for sure.
Even with this one, you still need a lot of speed. Look at the gap from this one.
Yeah.
It's a good 10-footer
By the
right
time
there.
I do those three things, I'm good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess you could come like here and land there, huh?
Yeah, you could right here. But if you go up to the lip, it throws you off a little bit, because first time when I hit it, like, ooh, I hipped it, and land right here, but it throws you off a little bit, because I didn't see the landing pad on top.
No, that's there's a lot going on.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
But they did a good job though, dude. The lip and everything is fucking perfect, man.
Wow.
Like, look at all this Red Bull that they they went through in order to build this shit here. Look at they trashed that shit.
Oh, I feel like I've done from here to flat.
Yeah. Yeah, I hit this before too. Here to flat, but not on top. I haven't hit the top one yet.
Yeah, that to me seems a little much for me. I mean, I could see if you hit it right and your body weight's in the right spot, you
Yeah.
could float to it, and my back tire would probably case, but you'd be fine.
And the thing is oh, whoa, Scotty. Oh, man. Oh my God, dude.
Oh, shit. nasty rut.
That's funny, dude.
What happened?
He's sticking out his foot. He going, whoa, whoa, whoa. Yep, right. One more. Care speed, Justin. Care speed. Yoo! Nice.
You said speed.
Yeah, 1-9 to the second one. Oh shit. Yeah, I was gonna tell you, don't jump that one.
A little too much.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Lucky you didn't go into the bushes, buddy.
Yeah. Looks like I'm not the only one.
Yeah, Scott's gonna jump right there. That's the jump star. You can see it from here.
That jump, what?
You can see it from here, unless you want to follow me down.
Is it a double?
They're smaller. Just hit it just like any jump, trail speed.
That was a little too much speed.
Yeah. Whoa.
Went into the berm though. We're off the trail.
Yeah.